Starting off a facial with a massage is a great way to instantly relax your clients in preparation for deep treating their skin. It also helps to wake the skin up, encourages vasodilation and collagen production, removes toxins, reduces puffiness, and helps to tone the muscles in the face. The products that I am using is Eve Taylor's Pre-Cleanse Oil. I love to use this product as the lightweight formula allows you to glide over your client's skin without pulling and tugging, and it also softens and nourishes the skin whilst dissolving makeup and sebum. Some of the key ingredients are peach kernel and argan oil, which are rich in nutrients, ensuring that the skin remains supple, as well as calendula and green tea extracts, which soothe and condition the skin. For the second cleanse, I decided to go in with Murad's AHA/BHA cleanser. This product contains salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acids, which exfoliate the skin and encourages cell turnover, which help to reveal softer and smoother skin. Once the deep cleansing is complete, I steam my client's face for a few minutes in preparation for extractions. This was the first time my client had ever experienced extractions, and as you can see, she was not for it at all. I explained that it would be nice to try and get rid of some of the build-up on her nose area, but if she felt as though it was too painful, I was happy to stop. So we compromised. I went in with a light and gentle pressure, only removing the build-up which naturally wanted to come out. But after a while, she decided that it was too much for her to handle, so we moved on to the next step. Microdermabrasion is a great way to physically remove any dry and dead skin cells on the surface of your face. It can be abrasive, so make sure you warn your client so they know what to expect, but if you ensure that you don't apply too much pressure, the treatment should be comfortable for your client. Once that was complete, I went in with Andalou's Honey Glycolic Pumpkin Mask. This product contains fruit stem cells, vitamin C, and glycolic acid, which gently dissolve and sweep away dull, dry surface cells, exfoliating and resurfacing for an even tone, smooth texture, and a luminous complexion. I allowed that to sit for 3 to 5 minutes and then applied a hydrating and soothing mask on top of that. My client then received some LED light therapy. After about 15 minutes, I then removed her mask using my ultrasonic spatula. I like using this tool because the sound waves help to further exfoliate the skin and remove any additional debris or buildup that may be on the surface of her skin. Now that it is all removed, it's time to finish up the facial by adding my specialty serums and moisturizers. She is left with soft, smooth, luminous and supple skin, which is what she asked for when coming into this treatment. I do look forward to seeing her again in 4 weeks' time, and thank you guys for watching.